I'm in San Francisco and I need to learn how to make corn clam chowder. And so I did at the Blue Mermaid restaurant. I went to the famous Argonaut Hotel. At the hotel, the restaurant is called the Blue Mermaid. I love mermaids. Chef Eric took me back in the kitchen. He's really famous for his corn clam chowder. This clam chowder is the best clam chowder in the city of San Francisco. It's won 3 awards.
So here in the restaurant, we offer 3 kinds of chowder: Manhattan, New England, and the famous crab and corn chowder, which every year we won a lot of competition.
The best kind of chowder is corn clam chowder.
You want to learn how to make chowders, huh? Okay, let's do it. Okay. First is we're gonna put oil. Then this one is bacon. So we're gonna make a crab and corn chowder, but in any good chowder, there's always bacon. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add bacon.
Do you know what his secret ingredients is? Bacon.
You wanna hold this one and steer. 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 Is it hot? Okay. Then we're gonna add onions. Help it. This one. Hand it in. Yay! Celery. Then steer. I want to put that. Yay, this one. Oregano. Garlic. This is chipotle powder. Old Bay seasoning, it's a little bit.
It takes a lot of things to make clam chowder, like bacon and corn and all that stuff you think of.
We're gonna put white wine. It's gonna sizzle a little bit. Yes, it steams, yeah. And potatoes. Put in. Be careful, it's hot. Yay! Come on. There you go. Then we're gonna put in peppers. Put in. There you go. You wanna steer? Steer. Our secret for our chowder is a crab stock. So basically we boil the crab. Then from there we have this crab stock. You smell it? It smells like seafood, right? But you'll taste later, you'll taste a good soup. This one is our secret too. We put cream cheese in our chowder. When we make our chowders, we usually make a lot and lots of chowders, you know. We make gallons and gallons of chowders. You wanna see how much we make? So this is the baby batch. So if you wanna see how much we make, I'll show you. You can see? I carry you?
That's a lot.
That's a lot, right? I'm gonna try to spin. It's kind of hard.
That pot was so big, filled with clam chowder, I could have taken a bath in it.
That's corn, yep. That's why it's crab and corn chowder. It's crab stock and corn. Want to put it in? So we're gonna add our cream.
You put the same stuff in the chowder each day?
Yes, we use the same stuff, but when we make it like tons and tons of it, like tons of corn, a lot of corn, and a lot of potatoes and vegetables.
Do you run out?
Do we run out? We try not to run out. So basically, what I do is I always check and make sure we always have it. You know? So usually us as chefs, before we let people taste, we taste first. We want to make sure always that it always tastes good, right? Try it out. How is it?
Good.
It's good? I'm glad.
You can get the clam chowder recipe below this video.
Then for garnish, you want to garnish? Get some. Here. Put some on top. And a little bit on here. There you go.
Good job.
Good job. Yan tayo.
Finished product.
They loved it so much. They even wanted more.
Yeah, good job.
Good job, guys.
There you go.
That looks delicious. Wow. Did you learn how to make it?
Now that I know how to make the best corn clam chowder, how about you should try it at home?